aircraft. Yeah, both the fuel and the hose through which it passes are insulated. Yeah, the fuel passing into the aircraft become positively charged, and this causes the aircraft to be positively charged. Yeah, there is then a danger that the fuel might ignite. Yeah, can you explain how the fuel becomes charged and how to reduce the danger? Yeah, this is like the phenomena on daily life that related to our topic today. What is our topic? Is about the principle of electrostatic, the subtopic 16.2. At the learning outcome, at the end of this section, you should be able to describe the process of electrostatic charging of conductors by induction. Okay, let's review our previous topic. Last week, we had learned about the insulator and conductor. The insulator, the method for charging insulator, known as the friction insulator. For example, like PVC, wool, silk. Charging by frictions. And how about the conductors? The conductors charging by inductions. What is frictions? Charging by frictions. For example, when a silk rubbed with a glass rod, it becomes positively charged. This is the condition before rubbing. Actually the silk and glass rod is a neutral conditions. Neutral. Because the total number of proton is equal with the total number of electrons, same as the glass rod. But after rubbing, some electrons transfer from the glass rod to the silk. It's why the silk changes into net negative charge, and then the glass rod changes into net positive charge. It's why the silk and glass rod can attract each other. It's like there is magnetic force attraction between the silk and glass rod. This is charging by frictions. So charging by frictions, and another way to charge conductor. This is how to charge the insulator. Friction, to charge insulator. And how about the conductor? Another way, one way to charge conductor via the conductions. Conduction means with contact. And another way to charge the conductor by induction. What is induction? This is induction. It's the process of charging conductor. It's the process charging conductor without contact between the conductor and charging body. Why the conductors can't charge by induction without contact? Because the electron can be easily transferred to the conductor or transferred away from the conductor. Because the electrons easily transferred to and away from the conductor. There are transfer of electrons based on the transfer of electrons. Okay. Charging a single metal conductor by induction. For example, charging by induction using positively charged. For example, this is the aluminum foil. Let's identify the total number of electron and proton of aluminum foil. One proton, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 protons. 6 proton. And how about electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, also 6 electrons. Yeah. So we can make conclusion the total number of electron equals number of protons. Yeah, it can be, we can say this matter is neutral. The AB, aluminum foil AB is neutral. Yeah, this is the metal foil. Yeah, such as aluminum foil is neutral because the total number of electron equals total number of protons. And then when we put the charge rod near to the metal foil, what happened with the metal foil? When a positively charged, this is the positively charged rod. Positively charged rod is placed near a small piece of metal foil or aluminum foil, for example. The aluminum foil will attach to the rod. Attach to the rod. Why the aluminum foil can attract the rod? It will be explained by the transfer of electrons. Because the induced charge appear on different sides of the aluminum foil. Okay, let's looking at some protons will move to the part B, the right side of the metal foil or aluminum foil. How about the electrons? Where will the electron move? Can you guess the direction of electron move? To the right or to the right side of metal foil? Can you guess where the electrons will move? To the left or to the right? Which one is direction of electron? To?
Left.
Yeah, to the left side. Why? To the left side. Because the charge rod is a positive. Positive and negative will attract each other. That's why the negative will move into the part A, the left side of the metal foil. And then, the part A, the left side of the metal foil, will change into net negative charge, or consists of the electrons. And then the part B, the right side of the metal foil, will turn into net positive charge. Net positive charge, net negative charge, because consists of the protons. And what will happen next? This part, the part A, the charge on the part A, known as the bond charge. This charge can attract by the positive rod, because the negative will attract to the positive. How about the positive charge on the part B? This charge known as the free charge. What is mean by free charge? Meaning the positive charge free to move. Free to move away from the metal. It can be moved away from metal foil, or it can be moved into the metal foil. Free to move. Free to move. And then what will happen next? And then the metal foil will connect into the earth. For example, we can touch the metal foil using our finger. For example, you touch it using your finger. You touch it, and then also you stand up. It's why the electrons from the earth will enter the aluminum foil. After the negative charge, the electrons enter the aluminum foil. It means the positive will disappear, right? Because neutralized by the electron that has negative charge. The negative charge will enter the aluminum foil. Negative, this one negative, for example, negative. Because negative and positive, it can be neutralized. And then another electrons, the next electron also enter the aluminum foil negative. And then neutralize negative and positive. Next, until the six protons will disappear, change into neutral. No more proton or electron. In the part B, the right side of the metal foil. Only consists of no more protons. Only consists of the 6 electrons. On the part A. And then what will happen next? The electron from the part A will move into the part B to make it balance. This is how the charge of the metal foil changes into negative charge. Changes into negative. No more difference, positive and negative between the two parts. All of the part consists of the negative charge, the electron. It's why produce negative charge of metal foil. This is how to charge the metal foil. Change the metal foil into negative charge by using the positive rod. By using the positive rod. Okay, do you have any question until this slide about charging by inductions? Any concern? No? Okay, we continue. This the summary from our step before. Actually, the metal foil, for example, the metal foil is neutral, right? Neutral. And then, when the positively charged rod is placed near to the aluminum foil, the rod will attract to the aluminum foil. Why? Because negative charge. Because the left part of the aluminum foil will turn net negative charge, and the right part of the aluminum foil will turn net positive charge. What happened with the positive? The electron from the earth will enter the aluminum foil. Enter. Next, another electron enter. It's why can be neutral. No more electron or proton on the right side. And then, after remove the glass rod, the aluminum foils, left side and the right side, consists of the negative charge, balanced negative charge, on each part, left and right. Okay. Describe how a single neutral conductor can be made positively charged. Can you answer this question? How a single neutral conductor can be made positively charged? How to make it? How to make positively charged conductor? from this example, yeah, we will produce the negative charge, right? Using the positive charge rod. And then the question from the test yourself 16.2, describe how a single neutral conductor can be made positively charged. It's different conditions. Who can answer this question?
I think use one more
Use
card. So the apa yang negatifnya bisa ke attract gitu. Jadi sisa positif di konduktornya.
how about the charge of the rod that we can use, positive or negative?
Positive charge rod.
Huh?
Positive.
Positive. Okay. Yeah. Positive charge rod.
So the negative will attract this other.
Positive charge rod, yeah. Like this. We need to make the conductor positive. We need to make it positive. What the charge of the rod that can be used to make the neutral? Actually, the first condition of the conductor is neutral, right? Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative is neutral. And then what will happen next?
The negative will go to the left side.
Okay, the negative will go to the left side. Good. How about the positive?
The right side, because repel.
Repel. Okay, positive to the right side. Okay, good. Is it correct?
I think so. And then the apa?
And then okay, good.
The negative transfer to the rod.
The negative transfer to the rod. Okay, the negative next ya. Positive, yeah, net positive charge on the right side. I'm sorry, net negative charge. This is net negative charge. The electron enter the conductor or enter the conductor like this. The electron enter the conductor.
Oh yes. Itu dari mana? Dari Earth ya?
Yeah, Earth. We want to make positive charge. Want to make positive charge, right? Positively charged. How to make it? Using the positive rod or negative rod?
Negative.
Negative. Okay. You get the point, yeah? You get the point. The negative rod, negative, and then the conductor neutral, positive, negative. After the negative, we put it the negative rod near to the conductor. What will happen with the conductor? The positive to the left side. Okay, good. And how about the electron? We'll move to the right side. How to change it into only positive?
From Earth? No.
From Earth?
Positive charge.
Positive charge from Earth?
Yeah.
Positive charge will enter the...
Yes.
Okay, let's be looking at how to make positively charged. Okay, thank you ya. Actually, this is correct until this part is correct. Good, very good. Okay, what's your name?
Jason.
Okay, good ya Jason. Thank you Jason. Yeah, we can use a negatively charged rod. Negative charge rod. The first condition is the conductor is neutral because the total number of electron and proton is equal. And then we put the negatively charged rod near to the conductor. What will happen? Yeah, the electrons flow out the conductor to the ground. Can change into part net positive, net negative, and then next, the electron flows out the conductor to the ground during earthing. Yeah, the electrons move away from the conductor. The electron move, no more electron. One electron move, no more electrons. And then the next electron move, no more electron. On the right side of the conductor. Yeah, it's why the conductors only net positive on the left side. On the left side. After we remove the negatively charged rod, the positively charged will distribute into another part of the conductor. Will change positive. All of the part is positive. Yeah. Okay. Can you get the point? How to make positively charged?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. How to charge? How to change it into positive charge? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so how do we produce a permanent charge by inductions? Yeah, we can use two metal spheres by inductions. For example, this is the two neutral metal spheres are in contact. And then we can charge two metal sphere by induction using this is positively charged. How about this rod? Positively charged or negatively charged?
Negative.
Negatively. Is negatively. Negatively charged rod is brought near to the spheres but does not touch them. Why? Because the process is induction. We don't need contact. Only conduction need contact. The induction do not need contact. Only near to the sphere but does not touch them. Yeah, and then what will happen? Because the rod is negative, it's why the positive charge will move into the left side of the sphere. The positive will move here because it's negative. Negative and positive will attract each other. Electrons move from both spheres together as near to the
left.
Negatively charged. Negatively charged rod. Still negative, right? Negatively. Negatively charged rod. Near to the negatively charged rod. And then, because positive and negative, it can be neutralized. Positive and one negative neutralized. Positive, negative. It's why in this sphere only consists of 4 protons and this consists of 4 electrons. This is the 4 protons and 4 electrons. Separate the spheres in the presence of the rods. After separating the spheres, remove the rod. And then after remove the rod, after remove the rod, it positive and negative, so sorry. This is positive. is same. This is positive. Positive and negative. Positive and negative. Yeah, it's why after remove the road, right? This is the two charge spheres, yeah, of opposite charge, yeah, but same magnitude. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Same magnitude, but different, yeah, charge, positive and negative. Yeah, this is the summary how to charge, yeah, two conductors. For example, conductors A and conductor B. Yeah, actually, the first conditions, the two conductor is neutral. The total of positive and negative is equal. Negative is equals. And then after we put negatively charged rod, yeah, near to the A, the positively charged, yeah, will move near to the negatively charged rod. Negatively charged rod. And then the positive and negative will neutralize. After remove the charge rod, the spheres A and B now have an equal number of opposite charge, positive and negative, with the same magnitude. Okay. Do you have any questions, dear students?
Miss, so how do we make the sphere become neutral again?
Become neutral again, yeah, by the discharging. By discharging. By discharging. Yeah, for this meeting, we only learn about the how to charge. Yeah, charging by inductions. How to make it neutral? Yeah, by discharging. Okay, next, yeah, the test yourself 16.2. If you are given two metal spheres on insulating stand and a positively charged rod, yeah, explain how you can charge the two metal spheres such that they have an equal number of opposite charges. This is when we use the negatively charged rod. Yeah, how about when we use the positively charged? This is when we use the negative. The test yourself as when we use the positively charged rod. We use the positively charged rod. Okay, who can explain? Yeah, we use the positively charged rod. Positive, positive, positive. We use the two metal spheres. Is a neutral, positive.
The negative, Miss.
The negative. Next
Move to
ya.
the
The negative. This is the positively charged rod. The negative will move near to the positively charged rod. The negative 6. Negative. It's positive. Positive. How about this charged rod? Only consists of the
positive charge.
positive charged rod. Yeah. What will happen next?
The A sphere become
Yeah. A spheres become
negatively charged.
negatively charged. Okay. Good. Negatively charged. 3 negative charge. Yeah, because it will be neutralized. Neutralized. 1, 2, 3. Only consists of 3 electrons. How about B? Yeah, still
Positively
same positive. It is the positively charged. What will happen next? Actually, the position is close. Yeah, close each other. The position is close each other. What will happen next? What
they
will happen
remove the
after
rod.
remove the rod? Okay, no more rod. And then the spirit
Split
A
the
and B will separate. A negative and positive, positive, positive. B. Okay. Good job
okay.
ya. Okay, thank you, Jason. Yeah, this is how charging by
Jerry
the.
also,
Huh?
yes.
Huh?
Jerry also.
Jerry also. Okay, thank you ya Jerry and Jason. The answer. Neutral. Yes, pairs A and B. Yeah, the position is are in contact, yeah, are in contact. And then, yeah, we use the positively charged rod. We broke near to the spheres, but does not touch them. Yeah, because it's induction. No need contact. Yeah, between the rod and conductor. What will happen next? The negatively charged will move near to the positively charged rod. And then neutralize for its y on the a, only consists, it will be same, the a will consist of positive and b negative. It will produce two charge pairs, by the opposite charge, but same magnitude, 4 total of charge. It's why the fuel become charged. And how to reduce the danger? By connecting a wire from the aircraft to the ground. During fueling an aircraft, a worker can connect a wire from the aircraft to the ground. From the aircraft to the ground. This is the application of